Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Trains At. My name is Levi and today we're at Gatwick Airport on the Brighton Main Line. It says there will be seating services by Thameslink, Southern, Great Western Railway and Gatwick Express. Over there's 387219 with a sort of companion at the rear. She'll be going back to London Victoria at some point in time. This is 700-155, which will eventually be forming a Thameslink service to Bedford. Pride, as you can see, definitely gets my love. Thank you very much. Yes. Down in the distance over there, I don't know if you'll be able to pick it up, is 73-109, along with some sort of 377. 377-124 left as service to London Victoria. There you are. Anyway, now coming in is a Thameslink service to Brighton. Hello. We'll do this as well. This is a British Airways flight coming in. I don't know much about planes. Most is, I know what EasyJet run. I know that, I'm pretty sure that Ryanair operates 727s, and I know Airbus A380 and, speaking of which, and Boeing 747. Right, this is a 700, obviously, because it's Thameslink. But what else would it be? I mean, it's another Southern service as well. I don't plan to keep going here. Oh, 700-155 now departing. 700-107 with the accident replacing numbers on it. Let's focus on the best train, the best livery of all time. Pride, obviously. So, in flights you're going to see British Airways, Norwegian, EasyJet, Ryanair, Emirates come here as well. Loads of others that I keep forgetting. So, yes, let's see what's going to happen here at Gatwick Airport then. Okay, now coming into platform 4
mobile phones are working better. Stand behind the line, please.
Blah 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 is a dual pairing of 377s to London Victoria from Brighton. At the front is 377-470. Also coming in behind me will be a Thameslink service to London Bridge, I believe. Broken thing. Right, cool. 377-411 on the rear. Okay, now coming in will be a Thameslink. Whoa, that's a bit dramatic. It's a Thameslink service to Bedford, I believe, or London Bridge, or London whatever. I don't really know. 700-146 is this one. Okay, well you're coming onto this platform then. Sure, why not? Where are you off to? Bedford. Lovely, lovely. And 700-107 is also departing with the Thameslink service to Brighton. I believe it's the 1004 service. I love the Zero Cities for their weird
Right now standing on platform number 3 is your Bedford service via London Bridge and St Pancras. That's Bedford via London Bridge and St Pancras. Now on platform number 3. Please move on the platform, use all available doors. More than one door on this train, so don't know why you just stand around the wall.
Okay, no, fun times here. 377-470 and 377-411 are now departing off to London Victoria. Okay, 700-146 is now ready to depart with the 1006 Thameslink service to Bedford. And 700-121 is coming in with a terminating service from Bedford. And behind me as well, there's going to be a Gatwick Express service to London Victoria from Brighton. Wow, this thing needs a clean. It's amazing how much dirt is kicked up onto zero units. It's absolutely amazing. Okay, incoming now is a pairing of Gatwick Express 387s, I think it's a pairing, to London Victoria. At at the front is 387-226.
Right now, approaching platform 4 is your Gatwick Express to London Victoria, calling up London Victoria only. And London Victoria only.
387-210 is at the rear.
The Gatwick Express to London Victoria only.
Well, that's been ripped off then, that number. Okay, now coming in will be a Thameslink service to Crawley. It's going to be held by 700-118. Lovely jolly. Check station screens. Lovely. You are going to check station screens. That is the best destination I've ever heard of. Okay, we have a Wamos Air thing coming in. No idea what type of plane it is. We'll never know. Doesn't want to know. Levi's just doing what Levi does, and that's film everything. They really do look like stormtroopers from this angle. Oh, the pairing of 387s are departing, 387, 210 and 226. Yeah, as I was saying, they come to this angle. See, look, stormtrooper. Right, okay. Just leave me alone, I'm miserably entertained. Okay, nearly catching me out, it's 387-203. With a Gatwick Express service to Brighton. 387-216 in the rear. Is it the rear? Is it the rear? I don't know, is it the rear? Yes, it is. It's the rear. Lovely, lovely.
Please be aware, Gatwick Airport is a no smoking station. If you
Well
are
done.
smoking, extinguish it immediately. You may be subject to a fine.
Okay, 70118 is about ready to cut. About ready to depart with the 1014 Thameslink service to Crawley. And we have one of these Jet C320s coming in. It looks like an A320. Right, I'll give you one more chance. Stormtrooper. Okay, I'll stop now. Okay, now coming in is a southern service to Bexhill and Littlehampton. I've forgotten the time, but hang on. This is a tri-set, so I'll be able to get the rear. Front even. Jesus Christ, what's wrong with me today? God, got to put up with 4 stations of this. This is brilliant.
Security message. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff.
At the front is 377-474, and I'll get the 2 at the rear at her departure. Okay, the next train to arrive will be the 1019 Thameslink service to Bedford or Peterborough. I don't know. Don't know which one. Oh, London Bridge. Okay, thanks, Anne. 700-019 from the 8 coaches. It is the London Bridge. Hurrah! Ha 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 ha! Oh yeah, that's right. We have. Who on earth are you? I have no idea. No, I'll never come back. Nice colour scheme, though. Yes, all Horsham to Peterborough trains, I think, are doing 3 bridges to London Bridge today. And tomorrow when I'm recording this, but you don't need to know. It'll be like a week or 2 afterwards, so... Are you departing? No. Okay, cool. Okay, now we have one of British Airways flights coming in. I tell you what, he's wrestling that one. Yep, there you are. Okay, 377-474 and her companions are on the go. After the wait of about 4 minutes. That's fine though. I can wait. 377-431. And 377153. Why am I always like that? 153? 153? Okay. Right, mate. We have another one of British Airways boys coming in. Lovely jubbly. Okay, 387219, her mystery companion. About ready to go with the 10:23 Gatwick Express service to London Victoria. Wow, really? I thought it was going to Timbuk 1. Okay, the next train in is going to be a southern service from Horsham.
Platform 4
Possibly.
for the 10:27
10:27 service to London Victoria,
to
anyway.
London Victoria. Calling
Thanks, Matt.
at East Croydon, Clapham Junction and London Victoria. This train is formed of 12 coaches.
Yeah, who would have thought?
Stand behind the line now, please, on platform 4. Trains approaching.
probably would have been
Stand
from
behind the
Bexhill
line,
Littlehampton,
please.
actually.
For your own safety, stand in, please.
377434 is at the front of this. Three 77449 is in the middle. Do a bit of a clean. And 377452 is at the rear.
Train now standing on platform 4 for East Croydon.
Okay, I have no idea who this is or what type of aircraft it is, but it's some sort of thing. Green thing. Rugby, Island. Well, it looks like a Rugby World Cup thing. Livery, I don't know. Okay, 3774. Four of an engine of a plane. I've completely forgotten the numbers now. You know. Imagine what it's going to be like a Balkan. Jesus. Well, 377469 is also turned up to Brighton. Lovely, jolly. I'll get the rear of that service when she departs. Okay, 377469 and her companion are about ready to go to Brighton. There it is. That's the one. Where else would it be going? I mean, the only other option today is Littlehampton and Bexhill, so... I can see two sets of lights in the distance, so I have no idea what they're from or what they're doing or how what things do be flipped. At the rear is 377141, and as she departs I shall leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching. I'm not going to do a second part to this, frankly, due to things. Our next station will be Bolcombe. Never been there before, so I'm looking forward to going there. So I shall get the number of the front 387 and then I shall leave you. Shall be absolutely lovely and jovely. It's 387222. So, thank you all very much for watching. See you guys. Goodbye.